Hello, everyone. Welcome to another real estate mid-month market update. But before we start and go all over the numbers that you're most interested in, I wanted to share news from Bank of Canada just announced this morning. So the interest rates, overnight interest rate will remain unchanged for now. Next review will be in December. That being said, the rates is being held steady at 0.25% basis points. And there is also an announcement about interest rate changes for next year coming sooner than expected. Initially, Bank of Canada announced interest rates changing in a second half of 2022, but now they just indicated that rates will be going up earlier than that, probably earlier than mid next year. So what does it even mean to you? So let's put things into the perspective of buying $500,000 home, and let's say interest rates go up for a 0.25 points. So what does it mean for your affordability? Well, it doesn't mean anything, quite honest. So because you're going to be still pre-approved at a higher rate of 5.25 because of the stress test that we have in place right now, but your monthly payment will change. So your monthly payment on $500,000 home will change about $100 a month. Over a 5-year term, that is about $6,000 more in interest payments versus what you are paying today. So I hope that makes more sense. So let me just share my screen with you and we can go over the numbers where we sit as of today. So still quite impressive month. You see here on the screen that I'm showing you right now, we are looking at total residential sales month to date. We are actually filming this in a third week of October, so the numbers are not 100% like mid-month, but putting things into perspective is that right now, month to date, we are selling in average of 69 homes a day, which is still really impressive. You see numbers here, how they're comparing with 2 years ago and the last year. We are selling way more homes, 25% more homes this October versus the last October, and even 45, so almost 50% more homes comparing to even 2 years ago. And if you remember, last October and September are actually the months when things are really getting busy in a Calgary real estate. So things are really looking well for Calgary. I'm very optimistic. So if we go, and we'll start with apartment segment. So it has seen really huge jump in sales year over year. 60, almost 2% more units sold this October than the last October. Really great numbers. A lot of deals are happening, still lots of pending deals. Median average prices are up, days on the market are down, all good trends. And I can't wait really to wrap up this month and share with you my full market update. Looking at another condominium market segments of row and townhouses, we see that there is 20% more units sold this month than at the same time last year, and 25% more units were sold this year than in 2019. Also, days on the market are down, average sale price are up, median price are up. We don't really have benchmark price yet. It's not the end of the month. So overall, things are looking good. All right, so how is the situation in semi-detached market segment, in duplex market segment? So we do still have a quarter more listings sold and 42% more, quarter more than last year, 42% more than a year before, less new listings on the market. Total active listings are really dropping at 21% less, almost 22. A lot of pending deals are happening. Median sale price are up, average sale price are up, days on the market are down for this market segment again. So overall, so far, things are rolling really strong for Calgary real estate. And here is the detached market segment, where it sits, what is happening. So we have 20% more sales this year. As you can see here, 52% more than 2 years ago. And 2 years ago, we had just a normal year, right? Not COVID, nothing was happening. We did have, last year, we had pent-up demand after months of shutdown when economy reopened. And even this year, we are exceeding those numbers. New listings are only 1%, 1.3% higher than the last year, and active listings are 25% less. So overall, numbers are looking great. But I wanted to share something over here with you and stress out importance of proper pricing. I can't stress enough how proper pricing is important. So while market is doing pretty well, we are not still, and will probably never be in near future as Vancouver or Toronto market that are really, really hot markets. This is the screen that I really want to point out. I'm showing you here last 7 days trend, and we do have 218 more listings, and this is total residential, including all property types. So 218 new listings. 14 listings did come back on the market, which means that about less than 10% of, maybe about even closer to 6% of the listings actually go back on the market, fell through due to financing or home inspection, whatever reason. 337 listings got sold in the last week. So we listed 218, we sold 337. But this is something that I always stress out about the proper pricing. There is 162 price decreased listings. So market is strong, but still correct pricing, proper pricing is crucial. There is still 34 listings that fail to sell. So have a conversation with your real estate agent. I would love to help you out if you don't have one, and really go through all of those details together. So I hope you find this valuable, and I am again very excited to share market update at the end of this month, actually the beginning of November, to see how numbers actually end up for October. Thank you, and talk to you soon.